చందీపూర్లోనూ మమత ప్రచారం చేస్తున్నారు. ప్రజలు దీదీ వెంటే ఉన్నారని, ఈసారి కూడా టీఎంసీదే గెలుపని ఆ పార్టీ నేతలు చెప్తున్నారు. ఖచ్చితంగా 200 సీట్లు సాధిస్తామని అంటున్నారు. చందీపూర్ నుంచి మరింత సమాచారాన్ని మా ప్రతినిధి రెహానా అందిస్తారు.
బెంగాల్ రెండో విడత పోలింగ్ కి సంబంధించి మమతా బెనర్జీ చేస్తున్న బహిరంగ సభల్లో కేవలం చందీపూర్ సంబంధించి మాత్రమే చేస్తున్నారు. మిగతా అన్ని సభలు కూడా నందిగ్రామ్లో మాత్రమే చేస్తున్నారు. ప్రస్తుతం సోనం చందీపూర్ కి సంబంధించిన టీఎంసీ అభ్యర్థి మనతో ఉన్నారు, చక్రవర్తి. तो बताइए कैसा दिख रहा है ममता बनर्जी डूइंग द कैंपेन सिंगल, यही एक सेगमेंट है
जी. Today our honorable CM is coming and that is what the meeting is held for, and definitely you can see the people in and around they are coming just to listen to the message what our honorable CM will deliver today, and definitely this is going to create a huge impact on every one of us. And see, everyone knows how the people of Bengal are emotional towards our honorable Didi, so definitely this is another emotional day. The message what we are going to get from her surely is going to inspire us all and will work for the positivity of the election.
Throughout the state, if you see, there is a tough fight between TMC and BJP.
See, there is nothing so much tough fight. The way they are pretending, they are showing it to public, they are showing it to the entire nation and Bengal that it is a tough fight. But the people of Bengal are very much respectful for our Didi, towards our Didi, because they know that she is the only person who thinks of them 24/7. And the people of Bengal recently, what they are trying to show is they are highly much concentrating on the soil of Bengal, people of Bengal they are thinking of. But this is not the situation. Situation is they are trying to demotivate the emotion of the people of Bengal. They are trying to make their fear in the minds of the people. But this is not the situation exactly at all. Entire nation knows, entire Bengal knows rather, that they are completely in favor of our honorable CM.
Nandigram is kind of poll epic center for this second phase.
Yeah, definitely this is the second phase, from where obviously it is a soil of revolution, and definitely it has been called by our honorable CM only. So definitely Didi is staying there in Nandigram, and Chandipur is just the AC next to her. So obviously, definitely, yesterday what I heard from that the BJP followers, the BJP leaders, they are trying to sabotage the thing. They are trying to sabotage in the sense they are trying to harm the people. They have beaten up quite our leaders, our youngsters, and they have, a few of them are admitted to hospital also. So this is the way they are trying to run the election. But this is not a way. This is not the soil of Bengal is accustomed with. Rather, they should concentrate on the positivity side of the election and make it a true, clear way. So this is the thing. But we are very much highly confident enough that the Nandigram people, entire people of Bengal are with our CM.
There is a threat of poll violence, especially in the Nandigram.
Exactly, there is a poll violence, and definitely the entire administration is afterwards. They are thinking of it, they are looking after it with a strict. But ultimately, what is the thing is, we need the CRPF to be neutral. But CRPF, unfortunately, they are trying to play their role in favor of the central. That is the thing. That the CRPF are straightly getting inside their homes and they are speaking to people to vote for BJP. This is the thing, and this is not at all accepted. What the CRPF is going to do, they are trying whatever they could do in favor of BJP. But as an appeal, we can just ask them to make it a neutral one.
సో ఖచ్చితంగా 200 సీట్లు సాధిస్తామని టీఎంసీ అభ్యర్థి చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. అయితే బీజేపీ మాత్రం అక్రమాలకు పాల్పడుతుంది, ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రజల మద్దతు తమ వైపు ఉందని ఒక ఆశాభావాన్ని వ్యక్తం చేస్తా ఉన్నారు. కెమెరా పర్సన్ సుభాష్తో రెహానా ఎన్టీవీ చండీపూర్ నుంచి.